Here's how to quickly replace text in PDF with Acrobat. So open the PDF with Acrobat and press Ctrl F to get this find box. Here just type the text or word you want to replace. So in my case I'm typing here book and then click on replace with, and here in this replace with box you have to type the text, new text. So I'm typing here books. So all of my book word will replace with books word. Now I'm clicking on replace. So here you can see my first word successfully replaced. So you have to click multiple times to replace all your text, just like this. Once you successfully replaced all text, now go ahead and save your PDF file.